Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the October 2024 bargain bead box to share with you all today. This is always one of my favorite days of the month when I get the bargain bead box. The bargain bead box is a monthly subscription of beads and findings. It's $22.99 a month, and that includes shipping in the United States. They have beautiful beads and findings, and it's always curated around a different theme each month. And if you're a subscriber to the bargain bead box, you get a 30% off coupon to use in their sister store, Bead Box Bargains. And you can use it as many times as you want to during the month, and they already have great prices. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. So I'm going to pull it out of the envelope here and we'll take a little peek. I always cut the top off the envelope, but I don't peek until I peek with you all. See a little green baggie there. Those are some beautiful beads. I can already tell just looking through. Oh, there's some little pine cones. Looks like maybe bronze is the findings, what the findings are. Yeah, I think bronze are the findings this time. So hold on, I'll get all this organized and I'll be back. Okay, I think I've got everything sorted out now. It looks like the theme this month is Leafy Landscape. This earthy palette showcases the abstract beauty of Picasso jasper with its gorgeous linear patterns and autumnal colors reminiscent of a late fall horizon. Pumpkin, leaf, and pine motifs add to the autumn theme with sparkling crystal accents and a selection of findings in antique bronze. This cozy color combination makes me want to curl up with a good book and sip some tea. And then your 30% off coupon is down under here. And then on the back is a list of everything that's in the box. It says approximate total retail value for this shipment is $81.82. So that's a really great deal to get all that for $22.99. The first thing I have here is a 33 by 18 millimeter Picasso jasper tab pendant. That's really nice. I think this would be the back because it's flat. And of course, I'm sure everybody's will be different, but that's really pretty, really nice. A little bit different shaped pendant than we usually get. And then next is a 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter Picasso jasper round beads. And that is a very long strand of 8 millimeter beads. And they're just beautiful. I just love all those colors in there. I think I've said before that fall is my favorite time of year, so I love all the colors that go with the fall theme, boxes and jewelry. Those are just really beautiful. And then next is a 7.5-inch strand of Picasso jasper nugget beads. So those are really nice, different shape. Just really, really pretty. I love all those colors. I said that already, didn't I? I can't help myself. I love all those colors. Just beautiful. And then next is a 14.5-inch strand of, no, that's not right, a 7.5-inch strand of 10 millimeter Picasso jasper round beads. And those are just gorgeous. Just like the others, just gorgeous. Different shape. I mean different size. So just really pretty. And then next is what I was about to say, and I would have been out of order. A 14.5-inch strand of 4mm agate dyed and heated faceted round beads. And those are some really pretty little 4mm beads. Kind of lighten up these other darker colors. It's really, really pretty. And then next is a 7.5-inch strand of 8 by 6mm hematite man-made pumpkin beads in bronze. And these are really, really pretty. They're so shiny. And they just look like little pumpkins. Except, I mean, they're bronze, but the shape looks like a little pumpkin, I guess. Those are just really, really pretty. And then next are 4 pieces Malaysia jade. And I forgot to get me an eye pen out there. I have to find an eye pen. 4 pieces Malaysia jade dyed quartz carved pumpkins. They're 10 by 15mm. Those are just really, really cute little pumpkins. Let's see if I can get them all on here. Those are just really, really pretty. Little pumpkins. And then next is a 10-inch strand of 5.5mm crystal English cut rounds in evergreen AB. And those are just really, really pretty. I love the English cut. That's a really, really pretty shade of green. And then next is a 15-inch strand of 6 by 4mm crystal faceted rondelles in green with bronze iris. So that's a long strand of 6 by 4mm rondelles. And that's a really pretty shade of green too. And it's got the bronze in there with it. Those are just really, really pretty. And then next, these were on a strand, but I had to take them off because the end of my strand had come loose and they were going to fall off. So I had to take them off the strand. But it said a 13-inch strand of 4mm crystal faceted bicones in blue-green iris. So those are just really beautiful bicones. And then I think everything else is findings. The next thing are 2 pieces, 35 by 20mm leaf pendants. And those are really neat. That would be the back. They're just really nice. You could use them as pendants or make a pair of earrings with them. Really, really pretty. And then next are the pine cones I saw when I opened the box. 10 pieces, 13 by 7mm pine cone charms. And those are just really cute little pine cones. It's really pretty. And then next are 30 pieces 5mm corrugated barrel spacer beads. So those are really nice. Really pretty shape, pretty color. And then next are 7mm bumpy 6-petal bead caps. I can get some up here, my finger, so you can see them better. Well, I had a pretty good idea that was going to happen. Those are really pretty. That's the inside and that's the outside. They're just really nice. And then next are 10 pieces 15 by 9mm leaf links. And y'all know I love links. Just so much you can do with links. Turn them around different ways so we can look at them different. Well, if I can get them up here. They're just determined not to sit on my hand the way I want them to. Those are really pretty. I love links. Really nice, really go well with the leafy landscape theme. So there's, 10 of these. And then next are 2 pieces 22 by 17mm leaf detail chandelier links. Those are really pretty. Make a pretty pair of earrings with those. Dangle some things down from those loops. Or of course you could make a pendant the same way if you wanted to. It's really, really pretty. And then next is 1 meter of, well, there's a magnetic clasp next and it's got stuck to my chain. 1 meter 4 by 2.7mm oval jewelry chain. And that's some really pretty little chain there. Can never have too much chain. And then next is my clasp that stuck to my chain. A 17mm brass super hold magnetic oval clasp. That's really pretty, and you open it, if I can get it open without much trouble. Open it like that, and then I guess it is super hold. It's not wanting to stay apart. It's got that little tab on the inside in there, so it would hold it even better, not just relying on the magnet. Get it? There we go. That's really neat. And then there's 2 bonus items. The first is a 5-gram mixed brass jump rings in antique bronze. So that's nice to get some jump rings in all different sizes. And then the next bonus item is 10 pieces nickel-free brass ear wires. There's some fishhook ear wires. So those are really nice, and that's the last thing in my box here. So hold on, let me see if I can get this all in one picture. I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the October 2024 bargain bead box called Leafy Landscape. There's just a whole lot of beads in this box, beads and findings, and they're just all beautiful like they always are. This is just a really great subscription. I just can't recommend it enough. It's just incredible how many beads and findings you get for the price. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description box below to the page where you can sign up for this subscription if you're interested. And that coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook, Instagram, and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.